And Autumn's had no sedation, no Ativan, no Versed, no pain meds before. Most people can tolerate this without sedation. Okay, and you can see some of the contour changes here in the skin that were not apparent before. So this allows us to see where the areas of tethering tend to be. This is through an area of numbing, and we conveniently place this at the sideburn so there's no marks that you can see afterwards. So this procedure is done for rolling scars that are tethered and non-distensible. And they're done for boxcar scars as well. They help with those too. And once we get the rolling scars to be distensible, where we spread them and we don't see them anymore, that's when filler comes in. Okay, now, I need you to tell me if you're feeling any discomfort right now.
No.
Do you hear popping?
Absolutely.
Okay, the popping are the bands that are pulling the scars down, that are tethering the scars, sloping them downwards. So the more we break, the less sloping of the skin and the less contour abnormalities you'll see. And this, to me, is music to my ears, because I know we are breaking the bonds of scarring. We're in the subcu plane, where there's very few nerves. And if we stay in this plane, the infiltration is very tolerable. And this tumescence or swelling happens quickly with this pump. Push on your ear just to keep the cannula.